Hello guys, on this video we're going to learn how to increase our RAM using the hard disk of the PC. So to start, we'll open this PC. Right click and go to the properties to view the basic information about our computer. And we'll go directly to here, the advanced system settings. Go to advanced. Then we'll continue on settings, performance, settings of the performance. Then we'll go again to advanced, and here is written virtual memory. And here it's a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it was a RAM. That is, Windows will use part of your hard disk as a RAM and will make your computer to go faster. So to edit it, you click change, then you make your own way. You can choose the system or use the second, third, the one you have. Then you can come, if yours is tagged here, you can press customize and write the number you want. As for me, I choose 4 gig to increase the RAM. It's 1 gig is 1024 megabytes, so times 4 is 4096. After writing it, you set it. After setting, you click OK. It will ask you to reset your PC, and that's what we're going to do. After the computer restarts, you go back to this PC and check if the hard disk capacity has reduced. The amount you choose is the amount that was going to reduce. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.
Temple Music.